everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet a single crochet puff stitch pattern, which you can see here in front of you. Now I am really loving the texture and the look of this stitch that is created. It's similar on the back as it is on the front, and it's quite easy to work a beautiful one row repeat. Today for the tutorial I'm going to be using an H8 or 5mm crochet hook, as well as a little bit of worsted weight cotton yarn. This is a 100% cotton yarn called Pima Cotton by Lion Brand. I will put links to both of these items in the description of this video. Also in the description you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which is on richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me, and while you're here I invite you to subscribe, take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with new free crochet stitches as well as crochet patterns for you and your home. Our pattern today is worked in rows. You're going to start off by making a slip knot and then by working a foundation chain. Your foundation chain today will need to be a multiple of 3 stitches plus 2. Today I'm going to work a total of 23 stitches. There's 21, which is my multiple of 3, plus 2 more. Once you have worked your foundation chain, you're going to begin row 1 by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're going to follow this by working a puff stitch into the same stitch. To work your puff stitch, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch again, yarn over, draw up a loop. With 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. You're then going to skip the next 2 chains and into your next chain work a single crochet followed by a puff stitch. You're going to repeat that all the way across. Skip the next 2 chains, into your next chain, single crochet, and puff. All the way across, and you're going to finish off this row by working a single crochet into that final stitch. When you come all the way across at the end of row 1, you've worked your single crochet puff, skip the next 2 chains into your final chain, finish off with a single crochet. You can then chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 2, into your first single crochet stitch, you're going to work a single crochet and a puff stitch. Skip the next puff stitch and into your next single crochet, work a single crochet and puff. You're going to repeat this all the way across. Skip the next puff stitch and into your next single crochet, work a single crochet followed by your puff stitch, all the way across to the end of the row where you will finish off with a single crochet stitch. Into your final single crochet, work a single crochet stitch, then chain 1 and turn your work And that's all there is to working this stitch. It's that easy. You're going to simply repeat that row 2 for the rest of your pattern, starting with your single crochet, followed by puff stitch into that first stitch. Repeat that in each single crochet stitch all the way across. So continue for as long as you would like, then fasten off, weaving your ends, and that is your single crochet puff stitch. So thank you so much for joining me once again. I invite you to subscribe, take a look around, and I look forward to seeing you again next week for another crochet stitch tutorial. Until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.